Third example here. Have a little bit more on the bottom of each fraction. We have x minus 4 is on two of the fractions on the bottom. That actually makes our lowest common multiple pretty easy in this case. Our lowest common multiple just happens to be x minus 4, just that whole thing. So we need to multiply every single term by x minus 4. So nice things happen here. Don't forget the right side, that's easily forgotten. Left side with the fractions, x minus 4's wipe out completely. So all you're left with is negative 5 plus 1. That's it. Right side, you gotta distribute. We have an x squared minus a 4x. Combine like terms. Let's see where we end up. We have a quadratic, we have an x squared, it's not going away, so that means you have to factor. That means you need to get everything to one side. You will be able to factor. We're not gonna be like using the quadratic formula or anything like that. Factoring here will stay pretty basic as well. Factors of 4 that add up to negative 4, well, 2 and 2. X minus 2, x minus 2, or x minus 2 squared if you want. We only get one solution, one unique solution coming out of this, and it's x equals 2. We double check with the bottoms here. All right, doesn't make the bottom 0 on either one. We're good to go. X equals 2 checks out. Fourth example, very similar. One big thing here to watch though that I want to point out. Lowest common multiple, just like the last one, is just the whole thing, x plus 7. So two things I want to point out. Multiply everything by x plus 7. First of all, everything, including that 2. Right side continues on here, x plus 7. So we have that. X plus 7 cancels out completely on the left side. You're just left with x minus 9. Nothing cancels out with the 2, so you just distribute. We get 2x plus 14. Now, here's a big thing you got to watch. X plus 7 cancels, but you're subtracting the entire fraction, so that negative's got to go through to both those terms. That's a very common mistake I see. If you make it to this point here unscathed, perfect, you're good. I'm not worried from here. Clean some things up, combine like terms. I get negative x plus 15. I'm going to add x to both sides. I'm going to add 9 as well. I get 2x equals 24. X equals 12 once you divide by 2. 12 does not make the bottom 0 on either fraction, so you're done.